Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple yet powerful natural remedy to help lower high blood pressure using two incredible ingredients, garlic and okra, which is also known as lady's finger. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Garlic is high in nutrients, it helps in heart health and also bone health. Okra, on the other hand, is rich in potassium, which helps to balance sodium levels in the body and reduce blood pressure. Okra has lots of minerals, vitamins, and fiber. It aids in weight loss, it helps to solve digestion problem, it also helps to control blood sugar level and also lowers blood pressure. So now let's prepare this amazing drink. So to prepare this drink, we are going to be needing 3 garlic cloves and 5 okra pods. So now I want you to pay closer attention to how I'm going to be preparing this drink so that you will not make mistake while preparing your own. So this drink should be taken 30 minutes before breakfast. Pregnant women, this drink is not recommended for you. This drink is not good for you. If this is your first time to try this drink, I would advise you start with half a glass and gradually increase the quantity till you are comfortable to take 1 full glass. And also, if you are taking medication for high blood pressure, please consult your doctor before using this remedy. It's very important. Also, for best results, combine this drink with a healthy diet and also mild exercise I don't mean running, I don't mean going to the gym, mild exercise. You can walk around your garden in the evening or early morning, and also try as much as possible to receive early morning sun and fresh air. Is very important. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. So try this remedy and let me know your experience. Okay? See you in my next video. Bye!